Hello, good evening. Today I'd like to brief my case study based on schizophrenia. So I already done my clinical practice mental health at Hospital Bhagya Gita. I discovered one of my favorite case studies is schizophrenia. Okay, before I go to the brief my case study, I'd like to brief my contents also. Introductions, patient information or general health history, patient assessment finding and discussion on management finding, intervention and conclusions. Okay, introductions. Schizophrenia is a serious mental illness with the positive symptoms such as hallucination and delusions. Those of schizophrenia also experience some confusion and negative symptoms. So schizophrenia may have difficult socializing and getting a job. Schizophrenia is considered one of the most debating disease in the world. In Malaysia, schizophrenia is one of the serious mental illness. Patients are unable to take care of themselves, manage and stress control their emotion well. So mental illness also occurs due to the increase in neurotransmitter dopamine in the brain that can lead to the strange behavior performed by the patient with the schizophrenia. According to the World WHO, schizophrenia starts from the age of 16 and above. Schizophrenia is a type of mental illness including psychology, even mentally or physically as well as personality usually or to the age of 16 to the 45 age above. Okay, based on my case study, patient information and general history. This case when a patient discovered having a schizophrenia when complaining and warded because of the sport injury. The patient was age 19-year-old male, college understudy. Main on his focus on sports is exercise, including skating, snowboarding, break dancing, and weight preparing. The patient already looked for medical consideration from the sports medication doctor in January 2019. He detailed the right side down the wrist pain since falling and hitting the ulnar part of the wrist while skating in October 2018 during the tournament. Based on the radiological examination after the injury were negative and the patient did not get any treatment. The doctor discovered no wrist groaning and eligible detecting over the ulnar part of the correct wrist, a full practical strength and influencing or confirm the scope of movement. The patient was given RMM practice was determined to have the correct wrist wound. After his 10th visit to the doctor, the patient was allowed a non-interventional treatment from precision right elevator or scapula strain and right supinatus strain. During the meeting, the patient expressed that he has a right shoulder pain due to the snowboarding injury suffered 1 year sooner and due to the fall onto the horizontal right shoulder 2 years back. Immediately exercise to the shoulder including the force ups, pedaling and free loads. No position of development in case this pain. The pain did not isolated through the day. His rest was upside the jaw while lying on the correct the shoulder. The patient was commoning acceptable well-being. There is correct the wrist and left knee incidentally felt a cold and no evident explanations. Denying and contradicting any definition of sensations and damage in the bloodstream or dampness of shivering in the knee and wrist. The patient said he accepted that his knee and wrist got cold because of the electromagnetic driving force and shift off the joint by him and electrical angle his body that his gadget was the reason for his progression in the shoulder pains. Based on medical history and family history, accident was unspreadable. He did not authorize any remedy over-the-counter drugs, and he felt it's a consideration of the electrical insult or dimension by the utilization of it, which is utilizing socializing. He's a non-smoker and socially person of liquid. He's ordinary walk and seemed to the agreeable in unspotted situation position. Denying any weight changes inside the bladder issue the night pain of trouble and relations. Based on the assessment finding, the patient announced the most extreme verbal and numeric pain rating scale of 8 over 10. Based on score is 0-10 with the pain and generally present in the shoulder. In the two of world actually impact of fake treatment control the multi-focus consider pain studies when the patterns of NPRS could score varies by 0. FDD and specifically was a 95% and 31% respectively 12 and 13 method. There's a 4-point score changes. The FDD and specifically when the 35 and 95 respectively. The patient expressed when they encountered the shoulder pain which was situated off the front and back horizontal part of the shoulder and transmitted to down his elbow and wrist. He details a 0/10 score the shoulder pain while situated. Unique test was negative was the Suki signs, the speed test, the drop arm test, the white can test, or the present by me. Research showed the speed test was infinitely, especially 32% and 61% for bicep, and level pathology that is 20%. So based on all the assessment during the sports medicine one, sometimes got score and some of the tests are didn't score. So they were based on the last test, they do the nearest test 75% touch and 55 3% specific by the Hawking Kennedy test. 79% are delicate and 59% specific for improvement. I was worried about the general pathology for the mental issue given that 19-year-old male a 10 medical arrangement for the 22 months and 6 district to the body. In my experience, was infecting and treating the patient between age of 18 to the 25. The recurrence of the arrangement of a variety of breast body parts are not regular or useful patients. The patient depends on his shoulder pain as far as areas seriousness was a need probable by actual assessment. Our meeting, the patient did not maintain a great eye contact, talk to the guardian voice, having a great level of effect. In any event, when despite the completion of an instant of government control, his wife's attitude a slight blank. The patient described the persistent fancies, order, hallucination, and social separation from the loved one, which are the indication of psychosis or the diagnosis and center manual mental health. In the light of discoveries from the patient meeting as an actual assessment, the patient has manifestation as sitting with a normal non-manifestation of progress in case undiscovered or uncontrolled psychiatric side effect made it more suitable him back to the doctor assessment and treatment or psychosis turn to the giving exercise based on recollection and intervention of his shoulder brokenness. Moreover, in the light of the fact examination shows that pace of suicide among the patient seizure can go from 2% to 4%, however high as 15%. That the pace of suicide may be the most elevated among the patient near the date of diagnosis and acknowledgement is critical. Discussion of management of patient. Diagnosing a seizure or schizophrenia is not easy. There's no physical or laboratory examination that can diagnose the disease. Based on examining the mental state through the clinical interview and observing the patient's behavior. However, possible organic causes such as a user of drugs as a methamphetamine or diazinic acid or diabetic, which has caused the same side effect of the symptoms of schizophrenia must be ruled out first. Management of schizophrenia is still being researched. There's no cure for the disease. The disease can be controlled with antipsychotic drugs, such as reporting for haloperidol, psychotherapeutic such as cognitive or behavioral therapy, community support and therapy, and self-control therapy. Drugs can be helped, but based on the cognitive behavioral therapy is one of the important also. Patient prognosis is determined by the level of patients and it is because of the high rate or inherent patient with a mental illness. Complication of schizophrenia including a substance disorder complication due to the antipsychotics or psychiatric complications such social complication and even death. Factors: age or father age, drug abuse, biochemical factors and social factors. Interventions. In the light of discovery from the patient interview, signs and indication of psychiatric problems I disclosed to the patient that or recommend additional medical examinations. Having the patient discovery was the underlying appraisal. He agreed to develop with reading doctors. So I finished the doctor's certified immediate statement from the patient shows the degree of psychosis they are giving. I expressed my decision from the patients expressing some type of psychosis to the block active recuperation treatment for shoulder around them. The allowing doctor was very worried about the patient assembled during our conference mastermind of subsequent of medical arrangement. The doctor inspected the patient mentioned of comparable observables facts. Agreed with my appraisal reason and the patient's according some type of psychosis. The patient circled back to the specialist 11 days after his meeting with the doctor. He was determined to having a schizophrenia and began a day-by-day portion at this prison. The patient was additionally educated to circle back to the specialist, constantly weak to the guarantee of consistent with the drug and talk to the progress. Conclusions. Schizophrenia remains announced. There are solid antipsychotic patients. Patients who are experiencing the beginning of schizophrenia before age of 22 are multiple times are born to having a history of murder and accidents. Psychological pressure has allegedly been involved in the beginning of schizophrenia since it regularly accelerates the main crazy scenes or improves the quality of release. For this situation, the patient has declared family breakup, which may have accentuated the beginning of psychosis. Insight regarding his head injury and the condition of his introduction the world were not accurate. In the wake of determines to have a schizophrenia, the patient uncovered to alarm the doctors. Hence, his dad encountered something comparative when it was more useful, which may highlight the relations. Thank you.